today. The cakes turned out right well. We depend a lot on our chickens. They are good layers. What few we have left after the possums and such. Snakes too in the summer. A snake will break up a hen house quicker than anything. So after they were going to cost so much more than Mr. Toll thought, and after I promised that the difference in the number of eggs would make it up, I had to be more careful than ever because it was on my son's decision that we took them. So when Miss Longington told me about the cakes, I thought that I could bake them and earn enough at one time to increase the net value of our crop, the equivalent of 2 head. And that week they made better than ever, so that I not only saved out enough eggs above what we had engaged to sell to bake the cakes with, but I had also saved enough so that the flour and the sugar and the stone wood would not be costing anything. So I baked yesterday, more careful than ever I baked in my life, and the cakes turned out right well. But when we got to town this morning, Miss Longington told me the lady had changed her mind and was not going to have the party after all. She ought to have taken those cakes anyway. Well, I reckon she never had no use for them now. She ought to have taken them. Those rich town ladies can change their mind. What are you laughing at, I said? Yes. 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 Is it because you hate the sound of laughing? Is that why you're laughing, Darrell? Darrell's our brother. Our brother is Darrell. Our brother Darrell in a cage in Jackson. Yes. Waked by the trumpet sound, I from my grave shall rise and see the judge with glory crowned, and see the flaming skies, and see the judge with glory crowned, and see the flaming skies.
Open up them pearly gates. Open up them pearly gates. Open up them pearly gates for me. Hallelujah, hallelujah. When I hear that trumpet blast, I'll be coming home at last. Open up them pearly gates for me.
Oh, listen, all you sinners. If you want to get to heaven, better get down on your knees and pray.
Knees and pray.
All you gambling skinners, better quit playing 7-Eleven. Get yourself prepared for Judgment Day.
Judgment Day.
Oh, I done had a vision. Seen the pearly gates a closing, and I see you sinners all outside.
All outside.
You better make your decision. Pray that you'll be chosen. It's gonna be too late when you done lay down and die.
Open up them pearly gates. Open up them pearly gates. Open up them pearly gates for me. Hallelujah, hallelujah. When I hear that trumpet blast, I'll be coming home at last. Open up them pearly gates for me.